Raise3D E2 desktop 3D printer, features IDEX, independent dual extruders, auto bed leveling, video assisted offset calibration, power loss recovery, filament runout sensors. Independent dual extruders, E2 features Raise3D's IDEX technology, which allows the printer to produce two models at once. Use duplication mode to use both extruders and synchronized printing, or mirror mode, which produces a model and its inverse simultaneously. Easy setup, easy to use. E2 features auto bed leveling technology and a video-assisted offset calibration system that guides users through a simple process to verity that the E2 is geometrically aligned. The onboard 7" touchscreen, intuitive visual interface, and on-screen assistance makes 3D printing with the E2 a user-friendly experience. Never lose a print. E2 features filament runout sensors that automatically pause the printer if it runs out of filament material, and power loss recovery that automatically stores task progress and seamlessly resumes the most recent task when power is restored. Compatible with a variety of materials, E2 works with a wide variety of 1.75mm filament materials, including PLA, ABS, HIPS, PC, TPU, TPE, Nylon, PETG, ASA, PP, PVA, glass fiber infused, carbon fiber infused, metal fill, wood fill, and others that work within E2's 300 temperature range. And there's so much more. E2 features up to 13x 9.4x9.4" build volume, a flexible build plate for easy model removal, a heated print bed, up to 110 Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity with a live camera for remote monitoring, and HEPA air filtration. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.